After much anticipation, the winners of this year's JIS Heritage competitions have been declared.
New day is dawning, it's time to arise. We are the gene of achievement and pride.
Bold new beginning, time for action. We have the spirit to fight on.
The Heritage Competition is an important touchpoint between the JIS and students island-wide. It helps us to gauge how well the students understand issues related to heritage and national identity.
And this year's heritage competitions were bigger and better than ever before. The agency received approximately 150 entries. The students focused on the themes, a day in the life of my favorite national hero and a moment in the life of a Jamaican national hero.
The increasing number of entries seen this year is a clear indication that we're effectively engaging the youngsters.
It's a good activity, it's fun, and the research helps to build your knowledge in school.
I get to know new persons and see new things, and yeah, it was a very good competition.
In going to BX school, you always write in your name, drawing a hit. Big school, senior primary, I know you could win it.
The competition began in 2011 with the essays for primary level students, while the poster element was introduced 2 years ago to give our teenage audience a voice and challenge them to enter discussions on national issues through art. Both continue to have a positive impact on young people across the island, and every year enthusiastic sponsors partner with the JIS to ensure its success.
We're happy to support any initiative that encourages our Jamaican youth. It's our third year sponsoring the JIS Heritage Competition, and we're just amazed at the talent and the creativity of our youth.
I think it's very important for us to keep reminding our young people of what it is that people fought for and what it means to be free today.
I think it really helps them to get an idea of the history.
This is the way to go, to inspire youngsters who are in an education, youngsters who see the need to embrace their culture.
I think it's a great initiative, and we would want to be a part of it going forward.
The awardees walked away with gift certificates, scholarships for graphic courses, trophies, cash prizes, movie tickets, printers, tablets, and a weekend for 4 at Franklin D Resort and Spa. And even though the competitions have been such a success, the agency has plans to make it even better.
We treasure this competition and intend to invest even more. As such, we are proud to announce that we are working to expand the reach of the competition to include a photography component targeting tertiary students.
And for those who did not get the chance to enter this year's competitions or win top prizes, don't give up. 2016 is just around the corner, and with that, opportunities galore.
The parents, principals, and teachers who worked so hard with these students, we want to give you special commendations, special thanks. We ask that you continue to work with the young people.
Keep on watching Jamaica Magazine to find out about next year's competitions.